How to fix the activity status not showing on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Instagram activity status isn't showing, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix it step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from there, you can simply scroll down and tap on the option label messages and story replies. And after that, simply tap on show activity status and make sure that the toggle is turned on to allow others to see when you are online. And if you don't see the option or can't turn it on, you can try this. You can simply uninstall the Instagram app from your device and install it again. And that's it. That's how you can fix activity status not showing on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.